Hi, I'm Lauren Wood, winner of Britain's Best Woodworker 2022, and I'm here in the Axminster store with Arbortech to decide on the winners of the Carve Up 2023 competition.
Hi everyone, I'm Jo Wilkie. I'm the Global Marketing Director for Arbortech, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be here today with Lauren. And do not envy her job of choosing a winner today with so many fantastic entries.
Yeah, there really has been so many amazing entries, like a proper range, which is what we were hoping for. And yeah, it was a hard choice. I mean, we were talking about like the level of detail, like the quality of representation, the scale, the use of the tools. And I just think everyone's like done such a fab job. But you know, also I want to say like how easy your tools are to use. Like you really can like the tool will do the work for you, you know. And I think all these entries really show that. And yeah, anybody that hasn't seen them already, look through the list. Like, it's great. But yeah, what people have done is amazing.
Totally.
Really
So
good.
with no further ado, very excited to announce our runner-up of the Carve It Up competition.
Yeah, so second place goes to the boy reading. So well done, Brendan Rawlings from Exeter. The emotion you drew out in your piece was just incredible. Like we could all get a feeling for it. And when you looked at it, you're like, yeah, like, you know, I can see that. And the boy's reading. And it was just really intense. Like it's amazing. Like it was quite provocative.
Yeah.
And it was just amazing.
So
yeah.
It really evoked a lot of emotion for everybody actually.
Yeah,
across the
for
whole team. And Brendan's actually won 400 pounds worth of Arbortech power carving tools. So everything you need to get going.
Wow, Christmas has come early, Brendan. Like for sure, that's amazing.
Congrats. All right, drum roll. Our first place prize winner.
Yeah, goes to, this is really tough by the way, but the first place prize that's winning £900 worth of Arbortech tools, your representation of your dragonfly, Matt Foster from Liverpool, was phenomenal.
Yes.
Like the detail, the scale, you know, and we're thinking about nature, we're thinking about our planet, like that's what we're, you know, everyone's sort of got to be conscious of at the moment, and I just feel like you really presented that well within your piece, and it really sort of, for me, like it reminded me of why we're all here and what we should be thinking about, and you know, it was just great, and the way you did it, like the level of finish was phenomenal.
Stunning, absolutely stunning. So congratulations to our winners.
Oh yeah, really well done, both of you, like amazing, and it really was a tough choice, so everyone that entered, like really thank you very much, and you did not make my job easy. And I just want to say, for those of you that are seeing this that maybe haven't thought about power carving, give it a go. Like it's so easy, and you don't need a lot of space or a lot of time or a lot of money.
Yeah.
You just need to be able to, like, you know, get outside, set something up, and just have a go with the tool. And I can promise you, you won't regret it. Like it's like an instant feeling, and like you can get a sense of gratification. Like as soon as you've done it, like there's something there. Like so yeah, don't hold back.
Yeah.
Have a go.
Yeah, so make sure you check out all the entries. They are well worth looking at. They're phenomenal. So it's hashtag Carve It Up.
Yeah.
Thank you again so much.
Thanks for having me. It's been great.
Thank you, Axminster. Thank you, everybody. We're really excited to be here. So, and congrats to the winners.
Yeah,
Thank you.
well done.